Hey, awesome kids! Waving hand sign, welcome to our super fun slime adventure. Party popper, today, we're making the coolest slime ever. Can you guess what kind? That's right, rainbow slime. Rainbow sparkles. Grab your ingredients and let's get started. You'll need clear glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, food coloring, rainbow colors, and of course, glitter to make it sparkle. Sparkles step-by-step slime making. First, pour in the glue. Let's add the magic ingredient, baking soda. Now, stir it up. Time to mix in our rainbow colors. Rainbow, add a few drops of food coloring, stir, and get ready to create your rainbow slime masterpiece. Let's make it super stretchy. Look at how stretchy and colorful this is. Wow, it's so much fun to play with. You can even mix all the colors together to make a crazy rainbow swirl. Want more fun activities like this? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your favorite slime color. What should we make next? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with us today. See you next time for more fun, creative adventures. Bye.